Looks like we got a little bit of mist, or is it fog? You guys decide for me. I just brought the trash cans in. Got them late. Look at that. There's the intersection right there in the corner. And my phone doesn't like to be zoomed in high. Come on. People still can't drive for nowadays. I think it says like 53 degrees here in the Inland Empire. There's the van. What's this fog doing to my truck? Yeah, my other one too. That one in there is going to be there for a little bit still. Let's see. Alright, I have to get going. Got business to drop off the cans here. Yeah, one more shot.